just started raining. Literally just started raining. So today we are in this gorgeous home right on the river here, and we have just finished installing this Cabinex Pro outdoor kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through this kitchen and everything about it. So the Cabinex kitchens are distributed by Beefeater in the UK. Cabinex had a range before called the Cabinex Premium and the Cabinex Classic. Now those were straight layouts and you could put different barbecues in there, you could have drawers in there or doors, but there was no option to have a U shape or an L shape or any kind of customization with it. So what they have now done is brought out the Cabinex Pro, which is what this is. Now this has a configurator online. We'll leave the link to it below or in the description. You can go on there. You can then go onto the Cabinex website. You can start designing your own kitchen, and then once you've got it how you want it, you can send that to us. We will get a notification. We can cost it for you. I think actually the price will be on there when you do it. And then if you want to go ahead, we can take it from there. We can get everything ordered and we get it installed for you. So let's talk through. Let's start down here. So this is an L shape. It's got a Cabinex fridge on the end here, which is perfect for keeping all your drinks cold. Next to this, you've got what's called a vented unit. So in here, if you can see, you've got the gas tank in there. So when you're on the configurator and you are designing it, the first thing you do will be to put your barbecue in there. The next thing it will do is ask you to put a cupboard either side of it, and one of those wants to be vented, which is what we've got here. That's where the gas goes. We've also got power in there, and that is for powering the fridge. All of the doors are soft close. This is a porcelain, so these are about 60 mil thick, these worktops. They've got waterfalls on either end. They're really chunky, sleek, contemporary. I really love them, and it's all part of the kitchen as well. The worktops come with it. So coming along to here, you've got the Beefeater Proline hooded version. So this is a huge barbecue. This is just under 1 meter wide. It's got a completely flat surface, all cast iron. It's got griddles either side and then a flat plate in the middle. So you've got the options of doing smash burgers, onions, eggs, prawns, things like that in the middle, and then your burgers, your sausages, whatever you want on the side. You've got a warming rack there as well. There is also a flat lid version of this as well. So it's exactly the same, but the lid is literally about 20 or 30 mil high. So it's really unimposing, and very sleek and contemporary. So underneath here, this is like your undergrill unit. So again, tons and tons of storage under there. That's probably 1200 mil, 4 foot wide, that unit there. These doors also, it's worth mentioning. So this is a black color. There are 3 other different colors as well. There's an iron buck. I'll leave a link to them up there. There's a gray. I think there might be a cream color or something like that, but we'll show the colors on here so you can see what they are. Coming along to here, you've got a 3 drawer unit, so it's always handy to have drawers as well. Keep your cutlery, your utensils in. You can also keep a bin in any of these as well. Here we've just got some shelves. Very handy for storage again. On the end here, you've got a large sink and tap. And again, it's all like a graphite-y black color so that it matches the kitchen. And then obviously underneath there, you've got a just extra storage there. And that's where all of the water and the waste comes in as well. So what a location for this incredible kitchen. We're set right on the river here. You've got the summer house over there with a little jetty, this sweeping lawn, this gorgeous patio with all the amazing outdoor furniture. It really is a special place to relax and unwind with your friends. I know they had a big party on Saturday and they absolutely loved it. So If you're interested in one of these kitchens, send us an email with it. We'll leave all our details in the description below. If you want to see other videos like this, I'll leave you a link above. Click on that and you can see other kitchens that we do. We try and post one of these videos at least once a week. We also have Instagram, we have Facebook, so head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.